Guess the transportation. There are 50 transports for you to identify. To guess each transport, you will be given 5 seconds. Let's get started. Guess the name. Car. Guess the name. Motorcycle. Guess the name. Van. Guess the name. Jeep. Guess the name. Bicycle. Guess the name. Taxi. Guess the name. Skateboard. Guess the name. Ambulance. Guess the name. Bus. Guess the name. Scooter. Guess the name. Truck. Guess the name. Fire brigade. Guess the name. Train. Guess the name. Airplane. Guess the name. Limousine. Guess the name. Yacht. Guess the name. Helicopter. Guess the name. Horse. Guess the name. Minivan. Guess the name. Tractor. Guess the name. Camel. Guess the name. Kayak. Guess the name. Recreational vehicle. Guess the name. Forklift. Guess the name. Golf cart. Guess the name. Cruise ship. Guess the name. Pickup truck. Guess the name. Barge. Guess the name. Ship. Guess the name. Rickshaw. Guess the name. Dump truck. Guess the name. Crane. Guess the name. Ferry. Guess the name. Cable car. Guess the name. Compact car. Guess the name. Hot air balloon. Guess the name. Canoe. Guess the name. Monorail. Guess the name. Station wagon. Guess the name. Hand car. Guess the name. Cherry picker. Guess the name. Airship. Guess the name. Roro ships. Guess the name. Hydrofoil. Guess the name. Space shuttle. Guess the name. Horse-drawn carriage. Guess the name. Submarine. Guess the name. Paraglider. Guess the name. Hovercraft. Guess the name. Snowmobile. How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comments section.